Kaden is now wanting to sing.
You are my sunshine.
Louder, sweetie.
You are my sunshine. You are my sunshine. You are my sunshine. My only sunshine. You make me happy when the sun
Days are gray.
days are gray.
You never.
Never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
Very good.
I don't have any more songs.
It's okay. You know what? Don't poke your nose. Can you say you know how to count now? Okay.
I know how to count now.
Okay. Can you start counting also?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Wonderful. Oh, my sweetheart. Thank you very much for sharing. I love you. Kaylin now is 3 years and a half.
Yeah.
Say wave bye-bye.
Bye.
Kiss, kiss. Look at your smiley. Close up smile. Ah, Big Bar. Miss Big Bar. Okay, don't play if you are eating. Bye-bye. Hello, sweetheart. How is my little Santa? Oops, there goes. Bye-bye, hat.
Hi, Mama.
I'm gonna close up the Christmas tree now. Oh, that's a beautiful Christmas tree.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, Kaylin helped Daddy put up the Christmas tree. And she is a great helper.
Ever.
Oh, yeah. That's beautiful. This is December of year 2001. What a gorgeous Christmas tree. Let's close up. Close, 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 close. Ooh, precious. Pretty, pretty. All this Christmas ornaments. It's so precious. There we go.
I have Daddy put them.
This is Kaylin's little house. Toy house.
Hello, it's me.
And she fixes those people there nicely. Yeah.
Right.
There's a doggy there on the side. There's a mommy and a daughter in the front.
And how do you
And
like
up there by the bedroom, there's a mommy and a daughter too. And here are little kids in the front yard playing. So cute. These are her arrangement. 2 boys and a girl. And on the other side, up there by the windowsill, is one boy talking to the 2 girls. Aren't they so cute?
Pickle with colored sprinkles, you like it?
There's Kaden, don't stop. Okay, playing with the train. Choo-choo. Put up. It's just curious. That is a neat train. Oh, she's running after the train. Go, go, train. She loves it. She's having fun. There's a little girl and a mommy there right here on the top of this. And that is so funny. Okay. You wanna wave? Hi there. Kaylin, wave now. Bye-bye. Hello, there is Kaylin. She made all this arrangement. She is now 3.5. This is our Christmas tree. I think I mentioned earlier that she helped Daddy put it up and put the ornaments all over. She's a great helper. Hi, sweetheart. Wave. Although she has a cold, she is still a happy puppy, a happy baby. Big girl.
Today's my school day, right?
Yes.
I'm going to school now.
I love you. Okay, I'm gonna get a close-up picture. Ooh, oh, there, stay there. Put your tongue in, sweetie. Put your tongue in. Who's teaching you how to do that? Just put your tongue in. Hi, precious. I wanna smile.